Changing the email link to your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner, then select Account or Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access email settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Email or Contact Information. Click on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address. After completing these steps, your Shopify account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for any verification emails and confirm the change.